price is going up. Did you know? The price is going up. What on earth am I talking about? Hey, I am Sarah from The Den, and I help dance theatre and music schools and children's activity providers to grow their business, but on their terms, using my Start, Scale, Steer system. Now, scarcity tactic. That's what we're talking about today. So when somebody says something like, oh, the price is going up, that is what is called a scarcity tactic. Another one would be like a countdown timer. Yeah, it's scarcity. Your time is running out. Come on, come on, come on, get in. Now, these are all, used all over the place, right? Okay, also known as FOMO, right? Fear of missing out. Yeah. It's a bit like, oh my God, if I don't get in, what's this going to happen? What's that going to happen? Is this going to change my life? And then I've missed out on it. But scarcity tactic, when used wrongly, can be super sleazy. So this is what this YouTube is going to be all about. Some 3 little top tips on how you can use the scarcity tactic in the right way so that it is done ethically then. So the first one, I've already sort of mentioned it, and it's called a countdown timer. Now, a countdown timer works when you have a genuine ending to a product. So for example, I have my membership. Right? Scale Your Studio. I have that as a membership. Now, technically, there's no end to that. You can join and you can stay for 1 month, 6 months, 6 years, as long as you want. There's technically no end. Now, you can do something where you open and close and open and close. Again, that's another type of tactic. But as long as you are genuine about it, or there's like a genuine reason behind it. So, for example, if you had like an event coming up, right, and you were organizing food for this event, and you genuinely had to close the door at a certain point because, and normally on something like this with an event where you've got to ask the event organizers to provide the food and so on and so forth, normally it's at least 7 days that they need in advance notice of dietary requirements. So therefore, 7 to 10 days before the event, you're going to have to close that door because you have to get that information over to the food organizers, the event organizers. So therefore, you genuinely have to shut the door 10 days before. Now that's fine because you use the countdown. It's a genuine ending or a last day to book. Yeah. But then don't extend or renew it. Because a deadline is a deadline. And if you move the goalposts on that deadline, then you will lose trust for those customers. So use a countdown timer by all means. I literally ran a masterclass today, actually, as I'm recording this. I ran it today and I used a countdown timer on my page. But it was very obvious when I was running the webinar, and that was 11 o'clock this morning. And therefore the countdown timer was running to that webinar for 11 o'clock today. But now that the replay page has gone up, the countdown timer has gone completely. Yeah. So you've got to think about when you're using these sorts of things, what's the right way of using it. Now, another option is that you could use is a limited supply, FOMO, right? Okay. Fine if you have a limited supply, but not if, you've got a limited supply, a limited supply of this limited edition jazz shoe. And you say, I've only got 20 pairs, but behind the scenes, you've got 100. If you've only got 20, you've only got 20. Then limit them to that 20. Yeah. Because if you're using it with that 100 there, knowing that, oh, I've sold 10, but you say to people, I've only sold 5 because you're filling the 20 with another 5 from behind. That's all just a little bit icky. Yeah, just don't do it. Limited supply is whatever you've got. End of. Flash sale. This is another one. Don't get me wrong, a flash sale is amazing if you need to get rid of stock. You can have a little pop-up shop And you can just say, yeah, this is here. I just need to clear out the space. I need to get rid of things that I've got sitting on my shelf and generate more revenue for the business. Fantastic. Crack on. Lovely. But not if you do it every month. Or inflate the goods to justify the discount of the sale. Yeah, it's all just a little bit icky. Just don't be icky. That's what it comes down to, right? So by all means say the price is going to go up on this date, and then it goes up. Put it up on the date that you give. End of, you know, which, cough, cough, hint, hint, as I'm recording this, the price of my membership is going up on the 3rd of June 2024. Okay, there is no scarcity tactic on that. There is no limit of numbers, and there will be no countdown. It is just simply going up on that date. All right. So please, please, please use all the marketing tactics in the world. Just don't be icky about it. All right. Please make sure you follow along on this channel. That would be fantastic. Thank you.